Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use Proxy by Janitor AI. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to janitorai.com. And then in here you first want to find one of these characters you want to chat with. And then you want to start a chat. So for example, I'm just going to go to one of these Roblox ones right now. And I'm going to go ahead here. I'm going to click on a random one, scroll down, and then you want to just start a chat by clicking chat with this one over here. So click on that. And then once you're inside the chat, you want to click on those three lines at the very top right and click on API settings. In here at the very right, you can see it says Proxy. So click on Proxy, and there we go. Now these are the Proxy API settings. Here you can either select a custom model or you can open up an OpenAI preset by selecting one of these models over here. You can then put in other proxy URL or other APIs by pasting them in here, and then you can check them as well. Here's the place to put your API keys, and then if you want any custom prompts, you can just paste them or tab them in here. And then you can also select one of these presets over here. Then you want to click on Save Settings, and you are done. You've successfully started using the proxy on Janitor AI. And that's it. So that's basically how you can use Proxy by Janitor AI. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.